Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial video, we'll learn how to fix the could not locate the macOS boot volume error, which usually happens when your Mac can't find the system disk during startup. This can look scary, but in most cases, it is just a damaged disk reference or a startup selection issue that can be repaired without losing data. First, you need to enter macOS Recovery. If you are using Apple Silicon, press and hold the power button until you see Startup Options, then choose Options and Continue. If you are using an Intel Mac, restart and immediately hold Command+R until recovery loads. Once you are inside, take a moment and wait for everything to fully load because sometimes the drives appear with a delay. Now open Disk Utility from the Recovery menu. When it opens, look at the top menu and click View, then select Show All Devices. This step is important because it reveals the full internal storage hierarchy instead of only showing volumes. Now look on the left side and select the main internal drive at the very top. After selecting it, click First Aid and let it run completely. This process checks for file system corruption that often causes the boot volume to disappear or fail to load properly. If First Aid finds issues, let it repair them fully without interrupting. Now, before moving forward, make sure to check one thing carefully. Look at the volume underneath the main drive and see if Macintosh HD is visible. If it appears but is grayed out, click Mount at the top and wait a few seconds. This can immediately restore the missing boot path in many cases. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more simple Mac troubleshooting tutorials. Next, go back to the Disk Utility view and select Macintosh HD directly. Run First Aid on it one more time. This second pass is useful because sometimes the main disk is fine, but the system volume itself has broken links or permission issues. After that, close Disk Utility and return to the Recovery menu. Now open Startup Disk if you see it on screen and check if your Mac system drive appears there. If it does, select it and confirm restart. You can also try reinstalling macOS from the Recovery menu without erasing your data, which refreshes the missing system boot files while keeping your personal files intact. And that is it. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.